The one Michael here again. Today we're going to learn how to make another game in Gdevelop called Egg Drop Get. So let's go ahead and see what it is. Right, so let's play the game. And you can see eggs are dropping, but you want to avoid the green. If you hit the green, you'll lose a heart. See the score going up if I hit the white eggs, and it goes down and lose a heart if I hit the green. So my score is 11. And then main, and you can put whatever you want on the main. I basically explained the game. So let's see how it's made. First, we'll need to download the zip file. So download. Right. Slap the zombie so we can erase that. Let's open this up. So there are all the things that we need. The rest we will find inside Gdevelop. So let's head on over to Gdevelop. Go to build, as always, and create a project. For this one, we're going to use the mobile portraits. So 720 by 1280. So click on that. And we'll do egg drop get. And everything else stays the same. Now we'll wait for that to load. And as always, we'll add a new project. Or add a new object, not a project. Sprite. Import images. New font background. Apply. And let's name that background. So BG for short. Add another object. B. So good egg. And bad egg. Basket. A little bit. Seven 20. 12, 8. And then 0 and 0. Right. Now we need to bring this in. And we need to create a behavior so we can move it, because if not, we can't move it. So let's preview it real quick. And as you can see, we can't do anything. So let's add a behavior on it. Called draggable object. And now we can drag it. But we can drag it everywhere. So we don't want that. Let's add a new object. Option. Doesn't matter the color because it's going to be invisible. And now we'll bring it all the way over and up to about there. Go. And then we need one on this side and one on this side. But now we need make an event. So basket is in collision with the collision. Baskets separate objects and collision won't move. So let's preview that. You can see it's going behind the thing, and it should not be doing it. So we need to fix that. Right? Now let's see if it does. All right. There we go. Can go up or down a little bit. Well, I mean, you can go up or down a little bit, but not much. We're not staying in one spot. All right. Now we can make collision invisible. And you can't see it. Now You can only move it right there. All right. Awesome. So now we need to add some spawn points. This one will make green for go. Good. Big. Spawn. And pretty good. So good egg spawn. Bad big spawn. This one red. All right. Now we'll bring these over where we can see them. And we'll go into the events. And let's see. Make a timer. Start timer. Big timer. Start timer. Add a timer. Well, that's capture. So it's a little bit easier to read. There we go. So now we need to do the value of timer greater than 1. Also greater than 1 for right now. Later we'll change it. So we will do create object. And then we'll go into here. Sprite, position, X. Do the spawn, fly, and we need to delete the point. There we go. So it should look exactly like this. If it doesn't look like this, then it won't work right. If you have points, then you have to have a point in here and then name your point and put where the point is. And we'll go over that in another video. But for right now, we're just doing it on the X and Y of the good egg. So we need the same thing for this egg. So we can copy this by pressing Control C and just change this this. All right, so let's see if they spawn. And there they are. Awesome. Right, so now we need to put physics on them. So let's go to behaviors. Add behavior and go to physics. Right. And I could have just copied and pasted, but I'll go and do it again and show. So physics and apply. So now we can see them drop. A lot. All right. So now we need to do, we need to reset the timer. We also need to create random spots. So first, this, set, like this was good. This is bad. Oh, no, wrong one. Adding, where we go. Right, so now we need to check it out. There we go. That's what we want. All right. But now we need to do random spots. So we're going to need a couple of these. So just like in Slap a Zombie, if you've watched that video, which is also on my channel on a different video, I show you a different way to spawn where basically I drag this out and do different random spawns on one, but this time we're doing it on 3 different ones. So now let's create random positions. So pick random object. We can copy this and place it right here and just change that. All right, so now we have different areas. Which is what we want. So let's do this at 4 and that at 1. All right, so now let's bring these up to here and create a couple extra. Right, so let's pick that up. Looking good. All right, so now we need to create a collision with the basket and the eggs. So we can copy this. Copy this. And there we go. So now we can do things deleted. Copy that. And do that. Now every time we catch the egg with the basket, it will be deleted. All right. So now we need to create a text, but before that, we're going to create a folder. Let's see. Clean, just to clean everything up a little bit. All right. So let's create score. Make that about 50 or go. So can't really see it that well. So we'll bring in a pin. And we'll make it blue. You can make it whatever color you want. I'm making it blue. All right. So it's score. Now we need to create a variable, global variable, and name it score. Name it whatever you want, but score is, well, basically what it's for. So may as well make it score. All right. So now we need to set it to 0 at the beginning. And then we need to change it whenever we get an egg. So we're going to add by 1 with the good egg. We can copy it and paste it and subtract. With it. Now we need to add a new event. And bring it up here. And we need to change the text of score and set it to the global variable. So text to score. And then we can add quotes. And do score. And then space. So now it will look like this. Let's pick a green one so you can see it minus. So it went from 6 to 5. All right. Good to go. But we need to set these to a z-axis. Think of 2, no, 3 were the, no, 2, sorry. Let's see, where's the z-axis? Ah, z-order. All right, so set it to 2. And then copy, paste, and good A instead. That way it's not showing on the blue. Because a couple of them are showing on the blue. Now they are not able to see on the blue. All right. So now we need a time and hearts. Put that in there. In others. That go in there. And then we need another one. Call it countdown. Time 50. Place that right there. Now we'll set that. Let's see. Set it to, let's set that to. Bring around the rest. Okay, so to bring round this. That. I made it. What did I name it? Oh, I didn't name anything. Ha, okay. Level time is what we'll put. People level. Right? And then let's see. Spell something wrong? Yes, I do. Okay. Timing. There we go. Okay. So two string round ABS timer elapsed time and then level time. And we need to create a timer here for that. And then we also need to add brackets and plus and do time. Space. And there we go. Now we need to do another time. Go. Get that to there. And that should start a timer. Yep. So there we go. Now we have a timer. Right. So now we need to also create another scene. So bring that in. Okay. Save this. And let's rename this by pressing F2. Just press play. All right. So now we'll do a new event. And let's see. When countdown text equal to time space 0. And it needs to be exactly what it is with variable. So this cannot be lowercase, it has to be uppercase. So when it hits 0, so this has to match this, right? Or else it's not going to work. So time equals 0. We are going to change the scene to game over. Okay. All right. And then we need to add a global variable of parts. So add global. And we can name it part. That's what it's going to be attached to. number 0. Awesome. Okay. Global variable, number variable, part is equal to 0. We're also going to change the scene to game over. Now we need to change this global variable number part and set this value to 3, I think. Yes, because it's the beginning of the game. So at the beginning of the game, it starts at 3, and then it goes down by 1, because we're going to change it to 3 now. So variable, change number of the variable part, and subtract by 1. And now every time we touch a green, it's going to go down. So need to find a green. 1, 2, and 3. And it changes the scene. Now we need to add the parts so we can see it go down. So go here. Prefabs. Resource bars. And get the parts. So add that to the scene. There we go. Put that up some so I can get that. Great. Whoa, what the? Okay, what's going on here? Why that invisible? All right, let's save real quick. Very strange. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, what is going on? Why is it? I'm not sure why it's doing that. Okay, that's strange. All right, let's try with this one. What is going on? I have no idea. I don't know if it's my internet or if it's Gdevelop has a bug for some reason because it doesn't do that on my other profile. That let's see. We'll add it and we'll just check through there somehow. I don't know. Sorry, Birdie. We gotta cover you. All right. It's very strange, but whatever. Okay, so let's see. We need to change parts. Set the value. Global variable. Number store. Go. All right. No, not score. Sorry. Part. All right. Preview it. Green egg. Come on. There we go. And game over. All right. I think that's about it. No, we still have to delete the other eggs. Okay, so let's create some event groups. Bring this up a little bit. So click group. And then timer group. Game group. In team group. Why not? All right. So now we need to add an event in here. And we need to, let's see. Add a sprite and make this red. Well, no, let's make it yellow. Different color. All right. So leads. Eggs. All right. So now we need to put that right there. It's not really going to show, so it doesn't really need to change color. So that we can so let's make it group. make it a little bit more easy. Let's see. Where is the group layer? There we go. Add a group. Eggs. Edit group. This one and this one. All right. Now we can do group. And they will be deleted. This way, when it falls, if you don't catch it, it won't just keep going and going and going. All of them will be deleted and it won't lag out the game. Because if you play it for long enough and don't catch them, it will eventually slow down your processing card and because they never get deleted. So you definitely want to do this. Especially if it's a longer game. If it's a longer game, you're basically going to black out your computer because there's so many objects and it's just going to eventually shut down your computer or your phone or whatever you're using. So always delete the objects if they're falling and they're off the screen because they won't be deleted unless you delete them. And let's see. So we've got all of that working. And now we need to create the game over screen. So let's not that one. That one. All right. Set that as a global object. Go. Funny. 80. 0. And 0. There we go. You're going to want to add a new one. You don't want to use the other one because it's got the draggable effect. You don't want to be able to drag it. We can name it basket. And definitely named that wrong. Basket. There we go. And a that a little bit bigger. That a little bit bigger. Big. Go. Good to go. All right. Now we'll need to create that button. Go. Add another one. Start. Main. If I can spell correctly. Buttons. And we need text. Four. And one for you lose. Too many bad news. Ah. Oh well. No, I need a white background. Hold on. Well, doesn't have to be a white background. It could be in color. But I'll just make it white for the clouds. Then I'll put it as the clouds. One more. Good job. Ah, very small. Awesome. Okay. That doesn't matter because we're gonna hide both of them and only show them if something happens. So, going here real quick. No, not that one. That one. There we go. Beginning scene. I so if global variable part is equal to 0. So, if let's see, what was it? What? Okay. Ah, that's what it was. Okay, I I got it now. So if global variable number part is greater than 1, greater than or equal to 1. There we go. So finish. So there we go. Now play. And that we lost too many bad eggs. Oh, I forgot to set that, but that's okay. And I forgot to set that too. All right, so really quick, we will avoid all of the green eggs. Uh-uh. 8 seconds to go. Come on. Oh, what? Oh my goodness. And it says good job. All right. Awesome. So now we just gotta set. Just have to set the score. Good to go. So we're gonna do a space right here and a space right here. All right. And that will change this flow. So you got 0 eggs, and this will change if you have more eggs. So you have 9 eggs, or you got 9 eggs. There we go. Now we just need to this to change scene and this to change scene also, and we're good. All right. Over and it's clicked. Add fence. Main is clicked. Scene. Play. And we need to add a main. Go. Main. And it's good to go. Waiting. And I can, let's see, set. Actually, we'll set these to global. That way I don't have to keep downloading them. But we're going to be using them on. And we can change this to text. And we'll put that in text too, that's fine. All right. So now main. Same thing. built. And then we can add button, theme, background. And text. Welcome to airdrop catch. Select all white things. Drive to void green. You will get put that in the center, down, and good to go. Play. Play. Clicked. Change scene to play. And we're all set. All right. Got 6 eggs. Or you lost too many bad eggs. Make menu and bam. There you go. All right. Now the most important thing is to set this as the start scene, because if not, it's not going to show up as the start. It'll do one of these and it'll mess up the whole thing. So always remember to start this and make sure that the flag on your main menu. All right, everyone, that's it. That's how you make a drop catch. I hope to see you all in the next video. Please like and subscribe if you liked the video, and I will make more in the future. So wait and see what I make next. See you all later. Bye bye.